So our welding program's been around for a few years, mostly in conjunction with Georgia Piedmont Technical College, both here at RCA and out at the Technical College. But we have had the benefit this year, because of support from Rockdale County Public Schools and the school board, to create this lab that we're in and bring in the equipment from the school system as well as bring in equipment from the technical college. Our current students are completing 2 technical college certificates of credit in welding that allows them to graduate through Senate Bill 2. And this lab has allowed us to expand next year and expand our welding program down into the high school to go ahead and get students at a younger age started in welding. It's been greatly received by the students and industry. We have multiple companies who've come in and are wanting to partner and are ready to hire our students as soon as they graduate.
But we teach you MIG, TIG, and stick welding, as well as oxyacetylene welding and cutting, plasma cutting. These are all stuff that's used in the industry. What we're trying to do is get you ready to go out after graduating high school and become a welder. I've been in the real world. I've had my own mobile service since 1996, so I know what industry needs and what industry wants from their welders. So I am trying to teach these kids how to be prepared for what is needed out there in the real world. These are welding machines, welding booths, 2 different types of welding going on. We have on that side, we have our MIG welders. On this side, we have our stick and our TIG welders. These machines here will do multi-process type welding. In other words, they'll do more than one type of welding. So we can actually use them for a stick process and for a TIG process. 2 totally different types of welding. 4 MIG machines over there, which are the wire feed welders. We have 4 of them that work anywhere from real thin stuff up to about 1/2 inch, 3/8 thick materials. Each one comes down at each booth. That extracts the fumes and stuff that happen during the welding process. It keeps a lot of this bad stuff produced during the welding process from getting into the lungs of the welders. It's a safety thing. You want to keep your face out of it. It helps keep the smoke up and away from people's face. Very important. That right there, the rod coming out, is obviously stick welding or arc weld. Very common type of welding. This process is called TIG welding. She has a foot pedal that actually controls the amperage or the heat. This torch she's holding in her hand is actually a heat source, basically, and she needs a welding rod to actually complete the process. She'll melt the material down with the torch, and then she adds filler rod to complete the weld. Go ahead down there. Remember, sort of aim right in there and you're gonna see it. Just keep your eyes sort of shut once you get going, okay? There's no sparks with this welding though. That's the MIG process.
Oh my goodness.
See, the wire actually comes out of the gun. See how that does?
Mm-hmm.
And that actually grounds to the base metal, melts the base metal, and mixes that wire as it melts up with the base metal. We have a pipe cutting apparatus, which is behind that shield right there. Cut and bevel pipe. So we were lucky enough to get this machine from Piedmont Central Campus, and we've made it work. It hadn't been working for years, so we made it work. But since we do have materials, we have kids that are interested in it, we're trying to expose them to a little bit of everything.
Today we're just practicing on our welding skills. We're practicing the different positions, vertical, horizontal, you know what I'm saying, flat, overhead. Right now, a lot of the guys in here are doing stick, the type of welding process, stick welding. What I showed you guys earlier was MIG. When it comes to welding, it's harder than just taking the gun and just, you gotta just make your techniques to it, you gotta have your angle right.
How has the welding process benefited you?
It gave me a fundamental hobby, as well as
welding pathway will be your future career.